Good morning. Hello, everybody. I'm Stefan, and today we'll try to find some setups. We'll chill, we'll look at some trades, we'll do some overviews regarding the market and everything that is regarding the trading. We'll do some rants about how professional trading is done, what do you want to look for, and stuff like that. Yeah. Well, that being said, let's start to scan the markets, find some possibilities, some setups, and make some money maybe this morning. I took this trade on Bitcoin this morning. We are already front running 61.8, so the market structure is a little bit weird. We have some fuckeries here because they are just front running levels, and it's not a good thing to see. Let me post the link. One second. Okay. Hello, good morning. Well, this trade was basically on a lower time frame. It was executed on 1 minute, and I was checking the order flow in this area and this potential power of 3. But I don't know, the price is reacting really weird. The retracements are more aggressively than I'm expecting. For example, this pullback here. If we look at Ethereum, we have a triple tap setup, so who's not long yet, maybe can get along around here and put the stop loss a little bit lower and target the same area, because here I'm expecting a rejection again. We have local POC, but I don't know, the price action needs really weird on low time frame. I took partial take profit here at 3.5 R, and now I'm just waiting to see if I can get my. So let's go on a 1 hour time frame. We have a kind of a diamond pattern here, triangle here, and we are at the end of this triangle on low time frame. That means big volatility, it's incoming soon. I have one long from this area on the big account, and now I'm just scalping and having fun around here. But if we go on daily, we see that we have a bullish FEG here to the downside, and we are just consolidating that bullish FEG. In the same time, we have kind of an M market rejected quite ugly here, and price is below the 200 EMA. It's kind of fighting with this area, so we can put an SNR here. This will make more sense when we lower the time frame. And also we have Monday high here and Monday low. So we have to be really careful for those ones. Price action right now is just sitting at just below the daily open from Monday high, from the Monday, sorry. And we are at the daily open from today. So not too many things that we can do here. Just this long that I took, and I'm targeting Monday high here. I want to see that Monday high tapped. Yeah, that's my plan. But in the same time, we can see the Monday low tapped. It depends a lot on the order flow that we'll see. 61.8 should have been tapped here, because on Twitter I said TP here from this trade, so it should be tapped. This would be the TP1 at 3.65 R, and then TP2 at 7 R, and then last TP here at Monday high. If we are going for Monday high, if the price is going for Monday low, well, I want to see this 61.8 hit, and then I will try to short into Monday low, which is here. Yeah, exactly here. This would be it. But that is a little bit higher time frame. But basically, what we are doing is just playing between these two levels. I need where it is arrow. There you go. So we are just playing between these two highs and lows, and this is the big range, and this is the little range you see. And if we are zooming in a little bit more, we see that price had a nice reaction from 61.8 of the whole range. And this is why I took this long here, because I saw the initial bounce and I took the retest. For the bull market, I bought tons of altcoins. We can go on a weekly and daily overview after I make the plans for low time frame. Okay, so you see, if you didn't have an entry on Ethereum, now you have one on this triple tap. It's a 3.48 R, and this one is a 5.29 R. Pretty good probability setups in my textbook. Here I cannot do anything because technically speaking, we didn't broke the market structure. We have an M, but below the 61.8. So in my point of view, this is a more of a trap. So I'll just leave my order there. I'm still long. I only take stop loss or take profit. I'm not stopping trades without a reason. By the way, guys, regarding trading and scalping, like trading low time frame, when you want to trade low time frame, be sure to have a stop loss in the market, because I see Twitter encouraging people not to have a stop loss in the market. If you watched the last dump that we had, people didn't have the time to close the positions, and that's why we had the result of insane liquidations. So don't fuck around thinking that I will not use a stop loss. I'm trading without a stop loss, especially low time frame, because what I'm doing here is really aggressive and really difficult. You have to be quite quick. But if you don't have a stop loss, you're fucked, because this one can dump instantly. For example, I don't know, Israel is doing some bullshit. We can have a 1,000. We can have a $5,000 candle in few minutes, and that would mean that I take a stop loss 10 times or 20 times higher than I expect. I want that? No. Maybe you make money. I'm not saying you won't. You can make, because I know that strategy, but it takes only one time. It takes only one time to liquidate the whole portfolio. One trade and you are out. One trade. So imagine that you are working for 1 year to build a portfolio and you're happy, you made some money. And then in one trade, you are fucking everything up. Well. I don't want that. Okay. No, I'm still long. Nothing I can do. Same on Bitcoin, same on Ethereum. Let's go Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let's check this one out. On 4 hours, I don't want the higher time frame. Okay. Last time I told you that Ethereum, Bitcoin should have held a low, and it didn't. Yeah, here we had a bullish market structure shift. This deviation was nice. I love this displacement here, but all this crap was only because of the ETF. Now the ETF is gone. We can see the true price action. And what do you see here? Well, on daily, price is trying to deviate back. and that's not good. I mean, that's not bullish. If you want the market structure to be bullish on Ethereum and on altcoins, you want to see the price reclaiming back inside the range here with a strong candle, exactly like the one we had here. You want to see a big candle reclaiming, retesting, and holding this level. And the most bullish scenario, you know, which one it is? Just sideways consolidating for. Okay, fine. This is a weekly time frame. Let's get on a daily, because I see a span of 3 months for the bottom to form. August, September, October. So you want to see something like this. And then like this. Yeah. Now I just remembered someone, I don't know, it was a coin. And I said it will dump like crazy, and it dumped. And now they are wondering if the bear market is not here. Well, it's not a bear market. My order was filled here on Injective at 13 bucks. You can see it. I said it's coming, but yeah, we need these dumps. We need this market to dump in order to have the real rally. Reef, you overexpose yourself or what? You are a little bit overexposed. Well, I'm not laughing is not the right word, but I remember when I was in the same positions. So technically we have a triple tap setup here, but I don't know what the heck is going on with this dump here on 4 hours. It's a little bit too aggressive. The other coins didn't have this dump. What are they doing to this one? I don't like it, Andre. What you can do actually, you can play a power of 3. You can play a reclaim. It reclaimed this level. Technically speaking, you want to see a displacement above this supply area. Here we had supply. Now we should have demand. So what I want to see, hello Shogun, buenos dias. I want to see something like this. And retest this W, but I want to see a breakout now. Then retest. If you want to take a trade. Man, what are you doing? Okay, it's still there. So yeah, don't fuck around with the stop loss rant. It's done. Altcoins, I want to see a bottom forming, but not in one day. You don't want pumps like this now. You just want sideways accumulation. The price to stay flat. Bitcoin dominance, Paul mentioned about it. I still think we need to tap in 60.5, but whenever we might see a reclaim under this area in an M, we may speak about an altcoin season, but in my books, I want to see this area tapped 60.5. So what that means? What that means, guys? Let's go on just a random altcoin, AVAX or Tao or AVAX. Yeah, what that means? Look at my plan on AVAX. Fuck me. Oh. Man, I know I made this plan in July, and look now, August. We are into my target. Well, never mind. What I wanted to mention, guys, you can just have a dump like this, more than 40%, I think. Yeah, 47%. And think that the bottom it's in. It might be, but usually what happens, most of you already know what happens because you follow me for a long time. So the low, which was created by the initial aggressive dump, it's almost never the last low. You know what usually happens? They are sweeping that low, they are taking everybody out, and then they are pumping. And that can be the potential bottom. So for example, if you want to buy Tao and you say it's gone, no, it's not gone. Most likely price will sweep once again and we'll have sort of a triple tap here. We'll sweep once again into the 145 or even 100 bucks, which is a really important level, and then up only mode. Yeah, almost never the initial low created by an aggressive dump, it's the last leg. Concluding eddy, yes, most likely we'll have another leg to the downside. But this one, it will be really aggressive in my point of view, meaning that the reclaim will be way quicker than we saw so far. I don't know, just going dot, same stuff here. You have a dump of 40% and you expect this one to be the last low. Well, most likely it won't be. Yeah, just me, same stuff here. Look at this dump. Look in the past and try to analyze. Yeah. So we had a damn aggressive dump market. Oh, we are going back. No, one more dump. Well, we are going up. That's it. That was the bottom. We reclaim. No. Only when we reclaim this low, we sweep it and reclaim once or twice, having sort of a three tap setup, then the market is putting the low in. Same stuff here. You want to look always for the reclaim of this low. Yeah. So for example, if we go on here, and if we SFU again, we sweep again, and we reclaim, that's a good long setup for spot. Like you want to get some positions, yeah, on everything. Manta here, it's more like rejecting, so most likely it will go again for the low. Here, you see, price is starting to reclaim pretty nicely on WIF. So one low, two lows, three lows, price is starting to reclaim the previous low, which is good. Now it's rejecting this one, yeah. So most likely price will retrace back in 61.8. Ivo. Well, my target was hit on Ivo. I know I made this plan here a long time ago when it was in April, and we are at my entry. Well, most likely one more sweep of the lows, at least on Ivo. 1, 2, 3. And then you can buy some spot here on the reclaim. But we have a range here. What do you want to see is the price going sideways. You want the price holding this area, 0.3. It's really important for the price to start forming a bottom. So maybe we'll get one more sweep, a quick reclaim here. Then the price just stay inside this area for a period of time, and then maybe we make a juicy weekly W and it's breaking out. But until then, lower, it's coming. What are you doing? Let's see. Well. I added a little bit to my long positions. And by the way, if anyone thinks that I'm picking up on anybody, no, I'm picking up only on malicious trading styles. I don't care about persons or who you are or what you are. If you are trading professionally and you're doing this, like you're making your living out of this, few people are doing. It's insanely hard. But if you're doing this, at least do it professionally. And I'm not picking up on people, I'm picking up on trading styles. You don't want to see anyone posting anything that doesn't have a stop loss. Okay, we have a setup on ton, which I think I will take. Let me check. 30 minutes. Ah, fuck. 15. 15? Yeah, we might see a dump here. Though. Let me check something. Okay, the middle one is respected, so most likely price will try to reject 61.8 here. So ideal scenario for this one, reject it once again, tap here and TP. So I will play along. Let me check some volumes and so we reclaim POC. A slight sweep of the lows here below POC wouldn't be something impossible. Two 0.48. Let's check the volumes a little bit. So we have a pretty big gap here. It should hold. 3.43 R. Well, I'm okay with this one. I'll take this trade if I get a chance. And then I will short if I see that we start to reject here. Okay, so Bitcoin we have a setup, Ton I have a setup, Ethereum I have a setup. Let's search more. Only have an FEG here. I would not take any setup before we dump on this one. 4 hour, 3 hours, 2 hours. I'm trying to find some information here. Not too much. No, I don't like it. On rejecting daily open, we have a short LJ. Don't like it. Let's search the futures list and then maybe look for Livitas and find open interest. Maybe we get some juicy ones. This one is trying to do a bullish LJ IVO. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. Maybe we can hunt it with some TAG. That's a 1 hour one, definitely. Let's check some confluences. Let's check weekly. Well, we are into supply already on weekly. The supply is lowering, but I think this is the main one. Also some demand. Fuck me, I want it. Price is rejecting. Let's check 2 hours. Well, I think I'll take a setup on this one. I'll take this area. Let me check TAG on 13, 15. Yeah, we have something on 15. So, but okay, we have an entry. Let's make a simple equation. We have the entry. Let's get a 61.8. When I don't know how to frame the trade, I'm treating it like an equation. I have to take profit around here, let's say. We have two equal highs, 3 actually, so we can TP around here. And then let's look for a stop loss. Simple equation. You have to be a kid. Not to, I mean, you have to be like first class or second class or not to know how to solve this equation. So this is value area high. Wow, I like this trade pretty much. Okay. 1, 2, 3 lows. So 4.22 R. It's really okay, but I want to make it a little bit more safer. So I think this is a safe way. So we have value area high exactly here. Yeah, this is good. And I need to pause them to 1 second. So I found some setups today. to be honest. Wasn't a bad day. Yeah, it's coming back, motherfucker. So let's get that one. Mm, maybe. Maybe. Not ideal. Why are doing stock market? I don't get the question. Can you rephrase, please? What are they doing? What the stock market is doing? Or what's the question? Man, too many lows here. I don't know. Looks like a Dartmoor candle and then the true direction. I can see that happening. Can see dumping a little bit. This one can have a short deviation, though I don't want to short altcoins. You are doing, yeah, I'm trading stock market. I'm trading here. I should rename this one. It's not funded anymore because I'm trading my own money. I'm trading it on a daily basis. It's just one setup. It's so easy. And it's doing pretty well, that account. I'm trading only one setup there. Okay, let's zoom in to what the fuck is happening on Bitcoin. Let's get lines out. Man, yeah, Paul, I know. Well, this one is risk-free for me. Same with Ethereum. Can you show us to Mara? What do you mean? Mara stock or what Mara? How I'm doing that? And I want to pause this one too. What's the setup? Well, Mara, it can have an easily power of 3 here. Let's see, check. Okay. Well, most likely we'll get a dump into 12.32 here. This one is tapped. It's done. We have this one untapped, so price will most likely dump into $10 here. Yeah, I like this channel. Middle lines, pretty well respected. So we can see a dump here in 12, $10, $12, and then a reclaim, sort of a power of 3 on daily. So try to look for an entry around here at $11, 10, $11. Let's delete this one. Put this one here. What do you want to see? It's actually something like this. Maybe even a deviation of the trend line. People will panic and then something like this. Because this one is a trend line deviation. And usually it's a very bullish pattern. Because most of the time it's just scaring the shit out of everyone. So if I'd be to enter, I look for an entry at $10 to $12. I think $10 is a psychological level. I posted here the chart if you want to use it. Well, I like this sort of question. So if you guys have questions, please let me know. I posted Ave, Ton. Alpha. Yeah, you're welcome. That's why we are here to chat, have some fun, discuss. Let's check that one. Zignali, Zig was? Yeah, I think so. I know everyone was shilling this point. Well, I have no entries, but I think soon I'll have. It's strong indeed, but it's not like I can do something to it right now. I wouldn't touch it. If I'd be to do something and I have some spot bags, maybe I'll take some partial take profit and make that a risk-free bag. That would be it. Everyone's shilling Z. Usually when a bag is shilled, we have a local top. And that's why I hate this crap. No, 7. I'm watching for everything, man. I start with weekly. So when I'm scalping 5 minutes, I'm starting with weekly. For example, here is no good. This rejection here on you always have to be aware of the higher time frame. So when I'm scalping 5 minutes, I'm starting with weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, and then I zoom into 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So you always have to be aware of what is going on. Because if I don't know where to take profit, or if I don't have the big PD arrays, because that's how they are named, if you don't have them on your screen, you will not be able to trade. You will not know what's happening. Yeah. For example, this area of 59,500, it's a big S&R. So if price is reclaiming that area, it's a pretty good thing. Exactly at the daily open. You have to be aware of where you are all the time in trading. Otherwise, it won't be very good for you. Because if you are looking for those aggressive reactions, that's why you're doing scalping, because you're hunting aggressive reactions. Well, those aggressive reactions are happening only due to the fact that on a weekly or daily or monthly time frame, you have some PD arrays in that area. For example, here it's Monday high. Daily open is really important always. When you are scalping, you want to see if the price is above, below, daily open. You want to check the 1 to 4 hour order flow and stuff like that. Yeah, you can see here 4 hours we had resistance here, we had supply here based on this area, and then we had 4 candles of confirmed demand. So what that means, it means that the price should tap and retest the upper supply now, because we already flipped. We flipped the area which was demand, and now it's which was supply, and now it's demand. And price should now go for the highs and test the supply areas here at 60,000 or even at 61,200. having that in mind in our plan, then lower the time frame. See if your plan is confirmed by anything on a lower time frame. And what do we have here? We have a resistance, then price has flipped the resistance. And you can see here again, supply, same like here. And now we just flipped this area, which was supply, now it's support. So price had confirmed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles of 1 hour time frame that we should have some support here. And technically speaking, we should test the upper supply area here, or even this one. That being said, you go on 5 minutes, you start to look for an entry. Easy, hard, I don't know, maybe. What in time? You want some entries on those ones, Eddie? Let's see. Well, this one, UHD 8, or I don't know what the fuck is that. I can't find any. 8 Corporation, just hot. Okay. Well, I like the sideways price action. This one, I have to be honest. I'm trying to see what is clicking in my brain. Well, definitely value area low. It's a good area where you want to buy because statistically speaking, we see really nice bounces over there. Then you have POC. Those lows are a little bit too equal for my taste, so maybe we can sweep all those lows and then reclaim. So I'm betting on a sweep of the lows and then reclaim because the order flow is really aggressive to the downside based on this candle here. Hello, hello, hello. So guys, good something. Bit farms. Let's see. Monthly. Well, these last few months are not looking good for the price action. We have 2 sweeps of the lows. Most likely we will get another one. So I'm betting on 1.27 and 1.45. Also, this one is not looking good here. I mean, not looking good. Price might retest if the shit is hitting the fan. Let's see, a 1.6, 1.8, or 230. Yeah, there you go. Well, definitely you can look for that area. And then Bit Digital. This one it's not offering too much information on a monthly. Lows is swept. A good reaction here. maybe. So this area should hold, technically speaking. So you can look for an entry around here at 2.2. We should see a retest of that lower area. I think that's it regarding stocks. Yeah. This trade is turning into a swing trade. Pepe. Let's check Pepe. We don't have anything else to do here. Pepe. Let's see monthly. Ugh, okay. Well. I don't like what I see on Pepe. Don't like. I don't like it. I don't like it because if we don't hold this area, especially this threshold here, so let's minimize the threshold. The price should hold this area, meaning what that means? Well, Pepe has, and now let's go on daily. Let me 1 second. Pepe will dump here. Just my 2 cents. You will say, no, impossible. I was promised it goes to $10,000 in a few days. I was promised new all-time high. Well, this channel, it's working. What I like here, you can see on daily, I put this blue area is the threshold, meaning that the price should hold this area if it wants to go higher. If we want to minimize it, yeah, there you go. So what you see here, price is just rejecting the area which I said should hold as demand. What that means? Well, it's not good, Pepe. It's not good for Pepe, meaning that lower it's incoming with a pretty high probability. First area to bounce and to hold its God knows what the number is here, and then this one. One day, sorry. So lower it's incoming on Pepe. I can see a 50% dump incoming easily. And if this one, it's consolidating that much, I think I will higher my take profit, because usually the higher the consolidation, the more aggressive the pump. So yeah, Pepe will dump. As a lot of altcoins will do. I mean, a lot of them, maybe they have a bottom in, but what I mean, bottom it's in on altcoins, I mean we are close. Doesn't mean that the current low will hold. I don't expect that. But for example, CRV, man, I like what it did here. We have a triple tap confirmed. We have a bullish market structure shift. Well, I can consider that the bottom is in on this altcoin on a daily time frame. It's too late to buy. Well, fuck me, no. We are way below 88.6. The price is at, I mean, what 88.6 I'm speaking about? This is actually reclaiming the power of three. It's reclaiming the lowest low. Well, if you've been a buyer at 78.6 and 88.6, which technically are levels to be bought, man, you're not a buyer here. Oh, fuck me, I don't know. We bought way lower. We bought at 20, 21. I bought here 21.83. Will the price go there back? I don't know. Technically speaking, it should do a retest of about 0.25 level, which is at least a 0.5 fib retracement. But then I'm looking for a sell half on a double here at 61.8, which is more than sell half on a double. It's actually sell 3 on a double, almost sell 2 on a double. So it's a little bit, I mean, BNX, not to speak about this one, it's a little bit subjective if the bottom is in. For some of altcoins, yeah. Other altcoins, I see another sweep of the lows, but be careful because if we get one more violent sweep, which is the third one on the daily time frame, a lot of them like Doge 1 to 3 here, and maybe we sweep all of these lows. What the heck are they? We sweep all of these lows at 0.70 cents. Well, that can be the opportunity which most people will look for. Same TL. We have one sweep, really nice reclaim. If we get another sweep, that will be a triple tap into 3.17 mark here, which is an effigy, and maybe even Wyckoff check this high, and we can get that. Well, be sure to buy some TIA here because it will be the most easy. It will be the easiest 10x in your life, in my point of view. This trade, it can easily go here and even higher. So I played a little bit with the AI. I played a little bit with. I mean, I'm speaking a lot with Paul. I'm spending so much time speaking with him, and I was thinking because most of people they don't know what's coming. Most people they don't know what's coming, and they don't know the fact that um, we are about here. Yeah, we are around here. So even if we had a pump from $1 to 9, we had the 9x in that specific rally. We dumped then again to $3-4, and then we made 10x. So we are here, guys. If you think that the bull market is over, well, I don't know. Double check your mental status and think about who the fuck are you following on Twitter and social media and stuff like that, because something is not adding up and you should stop doing that. If you don't think this is an opportunity, well, I can't help you. And I'm not here to convince anyone of anything. I'm here to follow my plans, to just buy the shit out of these locations and make money. I'm here to day trade and to invest because I hate to swing trade. I absolutely hate to swing trade. Can look at PAL. PAL, I think. Okay, we have it on Gate.io. Let's check monthly. Well, lower it's incoming on PAL. I know they shield PAL like crazy. Some influencers that, man, I absolutely hate them. I was speaking with Bochan about that. I hate what they're doing. They are so obnoxious. They are so aggressive when they are shilling coins. Well, order flow is bearish. You can see this bearish effigy here. So most likely price will do something like this. Okay. Also, LJ wise, nothing is happening. Yeah. Still nothing. You want at least a daily W, the other side of a trend line. This is not a W, at least in my books. You know how I like my W. I like displacement. If I don't see a displacement in my W, that's not a W. This is a W for me, and this is not a W. Most likely it will fail. Yeah, see the difference. So lower incoming, there is nothing bullish about this one in the structure on daily. Absolutely nothing. No bullish market structure shift. We can see easily an AB equals CD here. I know, it's filled like crazy by the influencers. Nothing I can do. Sorry, this one should be. So we can see around here, if we reject again this daily EMA, and daily FEG, we should see a 0.1 tap. Let's get to the next one, Vanri. I have some Vanri, but it's not, yeah, you see, it's, yeah, Kaduna, it's so toxic, and so many influencers are so toxic about these bags that they are holding. I mean, they're not holding, they receive them for free. And what is making me sick is that they are shilling them at the top, and then they are telling people, "Oh, I'm 10x. I'm and the price is dumping like crazy." And they say, "Well, I'm still 10x. Well, you told us to buy here." Yeah, I don't care if you're 10x. We, the followers, bought here because you said so. And you are 10x because you bought in the pre-sale because they are giving you the coins for free to shield. Vanry, not looking good. This is not what you want to see. This is not a power of 3 that I would look for. Same stuff here, you see. I was looking for the price to reclaim, where reclaimed and then dumped again. So way lower it's incoming on Vanry. At least these lows to be taken. Let's check a 1.6 to 1.8 here. You don't have the LJ on the other side of the trend line. Expensive. Yeah, we checked 236, and now I think we can see this level 0.5. Yeah, 0.05 on one ring. And also, if you really want to be bullish on this one, you want to see something like this. Well, rejecting, fake out, dump again, and then you see the price forming a bottom and a nice W here. Usually the first try of breaking the trend line, it's a fake out and it's trapping a lot of people in their positions. You know, what the fuck are you doing? Let's check another one. Then I like the activity, guys. Hit that like button, smash it like there's no tomorrow. If you enjoy the content, subscribe if you haven't. And if you want to trade with us, you know you can find us on Discord. You already know that. We are having fun day in, day out. We are trading day in, day out as well. We don't care about opinions. We don't care about anything else, just trading. Also, if you want to learn, you can do that on Capua 1 and Capua 2, depending on how advanced are your trading skills. Let's check PHB. Well, two coins that I really like. Well, PHB, I was filled on the first order. You can see here, Fazal Khan. My order is filled here at 1.12, and then the second order lies at 0.85 bucks. I'm pretty bullish on this one. I like the project. I like everything is going on there. And if you see this expansion, well, it will happen again. We just need to be patient, and the price needs to reaccumulate like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks here of slow grind. This is what we need in crypto now, some boring sideways price action. And then RLC. Well, same stuff here. Though with this aggressive move to the downside, so check the previous, if you want, so let's say that someone shilled a coin. Look at what happened in the past. How did we manage to create this pump? Well, this pump was created only after we dumped like crazy. I don't know. So always check the past retracements. 62%, 77. Well, there you go. But try to check that and then, yeah, see how the price has just started to slowly grind. Yeah, slow accumulation. This is what we need on the altcoins right now, because right now most of the altcoins, they are just going parabolically up or they are just going parabolically down, and that's not how a bottom is forming usually. You don't want to see that on on an altcoin. You want to see just the price going sideways, and then you have the real parabolic move that most people will fade, will miss, and will do a lot of stupid mistakes just because they missed that uh, sideways consolidation. Well, Ethereum wants to fuck me up one more time. I think so. See what Bitcoin is doing. Well, same story. Well, it gave another entry for it who didn't had. Well, that's why I left my stop loss a little bit lower. Actually, this one can be a good one. Or the price can tap into 78.6 here, sweep this low, and then reclaim. We can have something like that easily. Man, this was a long session. We are already past 1 hour and 10, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Well, my trades are posted. I discussed about them. Bitcoin, Aave, Ton, Ethereum. I'll wait for an entry on this trade. I'm long Ethereum here, nothing I can do. And I'm long Bitcoin here, same stuff. It's at around my entry. Um, if you want to trade with us, you know where to find us. We are daily live streaming on YouTube, on Discord. We are daily trading. This is what we are doing day by day, day in, day out. This is what we are doing. And I absolutely enjoy doing this. It's something that I learned how to do and I absolutely love now. So I'm doing this for making money, for a living, and in the same time I'm doing it because I absolutely love this the trading process and everything. And if you want to be part of us and start trading, you know where to find us. And if you want to start learning same stuff, either you want to get into the scalping kind of um, trading where it's pretty aggressive, you need some knowledge about price action and some advanced order flow, and you need to learn how to read the market. And if you know, if you want to learn how to swing and position trade and how to invest, then we have the Capo One program. Well, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the New Year session where Paul it will be live streaming. Be careful this week. We have plenty of news, and the market might be ugly. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.